kids, let's find the numbers. 1. Where is 1? Let's find. 1. 1. 2. Where is 2? Please help me. Where is 2? 2. 3. Where is 3? Help me. Please, where is 3? 3. 4. Where is 4? 4. 5. Where is 5? 5. 6. Where is 6? 6. 7. Where is 7? 7. 8. Where is 8? 8. 9. Where is 9? 9 is here. 0. Where is 0? 0. Plus. Where is plus? Plus. Minus. Where is minus? Here is. Multiply. Where is multiply? This is multiply. Division. Where is division? Is equal to. Is equal to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Plus, minus, multiply, division is equal to. Bye bye kids. Thanks for watching.